Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, ignorant Harry. Are you asleep or awake? Hello, Harry. How relaxing is that? Harry, you're spoiled rotten. Harry, are you awake? Good morning. Wakey, wakey, Harry. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey, Harry. Look at you. Literally, you take over my bed. Anjing zaman sekarang tidurnya seperti ini. Harry, Harry, wakey, wakey. Mula si Harry namio madaba dang parduli nabe podo maki podo manna. Mula si Harry madaba lomo-lomo na masih de. Wakey, wakey. Harry. Harry. Bangun. Bangun, Harry. Harry. Dungo. Dungo. Wakey, wakey. Harry. Harry. Look at the way you sleep. You take the whole bed. Harry, are you taking over my bed? Harry, is this bed yours now then? Is it? Good morning, Harry Goo. Good morning, handsome Harry. You asleep? Walang dungo yaw. Morom na yaw in na iba na. Iya kan? Harry. Wakey, wakey. Anjing zaman sekarang tidurnya seperti ini. Suka-sukanya. Harry, you fancy go for a walk? So we go for a walk. But still very early. If you want to go for a walk, you got to wake up. Do you want to go for a walk? Come on then. Fancy go for a walk? Or do you want to go in the car? No, you're not interested. You're not interested now. Okay then.